Adding the final touch. Understanding, put a cherry on top. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting phrase, put a cherry on top. This expression is not just about desserts. It's a vibrant part of the English language that adds flavor to our conversations. Stay tuned to discover its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English. The phrase, put a cherry on top, comes from the tradition of adding a cherry to the top of an already delightful dessert, like a sundae, to make it even more appealing and complete. In everyday English, this expression is used metaphorically to describe adding a final touch to something that makes it perfect or enhances something that is already good. It's about making a good thing even better, often in a small but significant way. To get a better grasp of this expression, let's look at some examples. In personal achievements, I passed all my exams with high marks, and getting the scholarship was the cherry on top. In business or work, the team completed the project ahead of schedule, and securing a new client was the cherry on top. In everyday situations, she planned a beautiful birthday party, and the surprise guest was the cherry on top. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, used in various contexts to express that extra bit of joy, success, or satisfaction. While put a cherry on top is a positive and uplifting expression, its impact comes from the context it's used in. It's a way to highlight that something not only met expectations but exceeded them. The phrase encourages us to appreciate and strive for those little extras in life, work, or relationships that make a big difference. It's also a reminder of how small gestures or additions can transform something good into something great. We hope this video has added a cherry on top to your day in your English learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and emotions they convey. By using expressions like, put a cherry on top, you can add color and depth to your conversations, making them more engaging and expressive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.